Good morning, Sir Jerry. This is what I understand in our topic. In district mathematics, we have logic, propositional logic, propositional equivalence, tautology, contradiction, contiguency, connectives, and the basic connectives in propositional logic is negation, conjunction, disjunction, and implication, biconditional. The types of permutation is permutation with repetition and without repetition. Logic is the systematic study of valid reasoning. It, it deals with the principle of valid inference and demonstration. This is the example of logic. Propositional logic, also known as sentential logic, deals with proposition or statement that can either be true or false. It abstracts away from the content of this statement and focuses solely on their truth values. Sa propositional kay example kay the grass is green. So turo na siya kay ang grass green man. Lisod pud mablo. In propositional equivalence refers to the relationship between two propositional formulas that have formulas that have the same truth values for all possible combination of truth values of their propositional variables. In other words, true propositional formulas are equivalent if they always have the same truth values, regardless of the truth values of their components. Tautology is a propositional formula that is always true regardless of the truth values of its propositional variables. For example, the statement A or not A is a tautology because it is always true regardless of whether A is true or false. Contradiction is a propositional formula that is always false regardless of the truth values of its propositional variables. For example, the statement A and not A is a contradiction because it always false. It cannot be both true and false and at the same time. Contradiction, a truth table, can be used to determine whether a proposition is a tautology, contradiction, or contiguency. A tautology is a statement that is true in every row of table. It's a contradiction if it's false in every row. Contingency refers to the propositional formula that is neither a tautology nor a contradiction. It means that the truth values of the formula depends on the truth values of its propositional variables. For example, the A statement A implies B is contingent because its truth values depends on the truth values of A and B. Connectives are symbols used to combine or modify propositions. the basic connectives in propositional logic. Negation, denoted by its negates the truth values of a proposition. For example, if P is true, then negation P is false, and if P is false, then negation P is true. Morning table sa negation. P is true, then the negation P is false. Conjunction, denoted by AND. It represents the logical AND operation. It is true only when both propositions it connects are true. Otherwise, it is false. Ang sa conjunction kay if pareha true, true. If true ang isa tas ang isa false kay false. If puro false pod kay false ra pod. Disjunction, denoted by V. It represents the logical or operation. It is the true if at least one of the proposition it connects it true. Sa disjunction, if ang P o Q kay true, true ang answer. If TF, true gyapon. Ang FF para may false. Implication, denoted by F then. It represents the logical F then relationship. It is false only when an accident, the proposition following the arrow. It is the consequent proposition preceding the arrows is. Sa implication kay F, ang P o Q kay puros true, but kani ang kadua kay T og F naman sa right side ang F mo ng F ang answer. If puros false pod, true gyapon. Biconditional, denoted by it represents the logical F and only F relationship. If it is the true when both propositions have the same true value. Sa biconditional kay if P ug Q kay puros true. If puros false pod, true gyapon. Ang TF right false. Permutation. A permutation is typically denoted as an ordered arrangement of a set of objects. For example, if you have a set ABC, then the permutation of the set could be ABC, ACB, BAC, BCA, CAB, and CBA. The numbers of permutation of a set of n object is given by n factorial denoted. Types of permutation. Permutation with repetition is in this type of permutation, items can be selected more than once. For example, when arranging the letters of the words D, where some letters are repeated, we deal with permutation with repetition. Types of permutation without repetition. This type of permutation involves arranging distinct objects where each object is selected only once. For example, arranging the letters of word apple or arranging a group of people in a line. Thank you.